Hello friends, in this simple video I will show you how you can install Google Play Store on your laptop or your PC. This is very simple and easy to do. Open your browser and on the address bar go and type Play Store. Now you can see from the search result we click on this very first one. Now, once you have clicked on it, you can see different apps, different games, and a whole lot of them that are here. And so this has actually opened up. Now, let's see how we can actually get it installed in our PC. Of course, the moment you want to get it installed in your PC, you can just go to this right side and then click on these three dots. Here, click on this card save and share, and then you can click on install page as app. With this, you just have to click on install, and then this has installed as a dedicated window in your PC. You just have to use it this way, and then anytime you wish to use it, you can see the shortcut on the desktop. And so this is just a simple way you can install Google Play Store on your laptop or your PC. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe to this channel for more tips on this particular channel. Thank you.